Hello, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. I am your Anita ma'am. Today we will discuss about long and short. Long and short.
See the long or it's short or long.
So children, what is long? Long is referred to a greater length. What is long? Long is referred to a greater length. Okay? And what is short? Short is referred to a lesser length. What is short? Short is referred to a lesser length. Okay? What is this? This is a girl. This girl hair is long. And this girl hair is short. What is this, children? This is a rocket. This is a long rocket.
Breaking through the atmosphere, high above the clouds.
Okay, and this one is short. What is this, children? आप इस पे प्ले करते हो, आपको पता होगा. This is a slide. This is a short slide. And this one is long slide.
On the slide.
And what is this? This is a pencil. Pencil से आप notebook में writing करते हो ना? Yes. This is a long pencil. And this one is short.
Now it is classwork time. Let's solve the question.
Look at the pictures in the boxes. Answer the questions by circle the correct picture. Okay, children, now it's your turn. Which is longer? This one or this one? This one. Very good. Next, which is shorter? This one or this one? Very good. This one. Which snake is longer? This one. Very good. Which arrow is shorter? This one. Well done, children. Which is shorter? This crayon or this crayon? This one. And which is longer? Baseball or badminton? Baseball. Very good, children.
Do it yourself. Now it is worksheet time. Kids to practice what they have learned now. Parents can download the worksheet from the link provided in the description below. After completing the worksheet, the same needs to be mailed at edu@udayankidz.com. Our academic team will review and return the checked sheet to the same email ID.
I hope you all enjoying this video. See you in next class. Bye bye, children. Take care.
Let's make learning fun for everyone. Like, share and subscribe Udayan Kidz.